Hi, this is Shay of Shay Design Studio, and today I will be teaching you how to draw anime eyes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to draw a curved line, and this is going to form the upper part of the eye, and then you're going to draw kind of a curved line going down from that first one. And then you're going to go ahead and start drawing the pupil, and that's just a circle. And I'm just kind of cleaning it up right now. So right now we're in the sketching phase. A little thing about anime eyes is that they can be drawn multiple different ways, so this is just one way. But anyway, let's continue. I'm just going to make a new layer, and then I'm going to start mapping out where the cornea, the pupils will be. So let's go ahead and sketch that. And I'm just kind of just determining or trying to figure out where I'm going to do my designs, because there's just so many different ways you can do designs when it comes to anime eyes. So just making that pupil. Okay, and just doing some cleanup here. Alright, so now I'm just going to go over my sketch and just this time kind of finalize everything. So I'm just making the topper line bigger, or the topper, the upper line bigger, and as well as the other side as well. And color that in, and then I'm going to draw kind of like a curved line that's going to form with the bigger part of the eye for the bottom. And just doing some cleanup. So hey, if you make mistakes, it's okay. It's a learning process. Listen, I'm still I come across this stuff myself. So hey, just take your time, and you'll get to it. So I'm just going ahead and drawing the bigger part of the eye. Um, and I'm going to change this, and I'm just cleaning this up because this edge right here is going to be kind of where the outer eyelash will form. So just kind of cleaning this up and editing it. And now I'm just going to change my color here, make a new layer, and color in the pupil. And this will be the part for, even though I'm doing this digitally, you can do this with pencil, color and pencil, you name it. So I just decided to choose purple, and now I'm going to add a black on the upper part of the eye. This is kind of gonna form kind of like that shadowy area on the upper part of the anime eyes, and then shade in the, or color in the pupil. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw the white part of the eye, just so we can, so the eye can stand out just a little bit more. Clean it up, and going to start adding little accents to the eyes. With this, I'm deciding to stick with the color purple, and just use lighter variations of it. So let me fix that. Let's move my layer up here. Alright, maybe now. And then go a little bit lighter. And I'm going to go ahead and just form or add the lighter purple on the bottom part of the eye. I'm going ahead and just adding in the reflections in the eyes. And I mean, at this point, you can kind of get creative with it unless you have an intention. If you want to be intentional, and like, I don't know, if you're doing the whole entire face and the face is facing forward, then you can kind of determine where the glare or the reflection of the eye will be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just add some more extra stuff to the eye. I'm just adding these little lines to kind of indicate the I don't know what they call those, you guys. The iris part, I don't know, the weird part inside our eyes. make a new layer here. And I'm just gonna add some eyelashes on the edges here. And then on the top part of the eye as well. And then towards the edge of the other side of the eye. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use this lighter purple and just add some more specks into the eye. So I'm just kind of being a little bit random here. But I decided to kind of keep them on the bottom part of the eye. I mean, this stage you can get creative. I've seen people even put star shapes and other shapes in the eyes, so it's totally up to you. And I'm going to just add some more of these reflections or white circles in the eye. I decided to do it on the other side. And I'm just using kind of like an oval drawing motion with this. I'm going to add the shadows within the eye. Now the shadows will be right below the eyelashes. And I'm decided to use blue. I got a little trick here. So I'm just using blue, outline, and then fill this in. Well, put it underneath my eye first. Fill it in. And then I'm going to go back to my layers menu. And I'm going to hit or select multiply. And then I'm just going to bring the opacity down. And as you can see, it kind of has a little shadowy effect to it. I'm just cleaning this up just a little bit. And now I'm just going to add some finishing touches. I'm just going to add the eyelid here. And there you have it, one style on how to draw anime eyes, or in this case, an anime eye. Also, I have a downloadable sheet below with step-by-step instructions on this drawing this specific eye. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that link. And if you would like me to draw any other styles of anime eyes, let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to do that for you. Until then, thank you for watching my video and I will see you next time. Bye.